Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing the highly requested lightweight makeup routine. This is my routine when I just want to do it super fast, 10-15 minutes max. I still want to look glowy and healthy, but still see skin, be protected from the sun. So I'm going to be showing you guys my routine. These are all of my staple products that I do use every day or every time I do my makeup. I am going to be showing you guys some high-end makeup that I like, but the majority is going to be drugstore products, so very affordable but effective. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started with this everyday, very lightweight makeup look. So I always start by prepping my skin with an SPF. This can be any type of SPF, but usually I always use SPF 30 at least. Today I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. This has SPF 30 in it. It is very, very important to protect your skin from the sun, so I always make sure to use an SPF. Alright, so next we're going in with the face, and normally for my lightweight makeup routine, I don't like to wear foundation. So today I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with sunscreen. This is SPF 25. So I have two shades here. One is going to be more of my summer color, one is my winter color. My summer color is 09 and my winter shade is 07. This is very lightweight. It's almost like a tinted moisturizer. Next we're going to move on to concealer. So for my lightweight makeup, I like to have a creamy lightweight concealer. My favorite one is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This is very just smooth and lightweight. You can blend it in with your fingers. It's not going to be heavy or cakey or anything like that. And it stays really well. I am in the shade 3W. And for a more of a drugstore alternative, I like the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. This is the color 210 Shell. So this side I'm going to use the Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to put a few dots of concealer. And then on this side I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte. So next I am going to start finishing up and use a little bit of setting powder. I have been loving the Huda Beauty setting powder, but today I'm going to be using a very inexpensive option. This is the Palladio Pressed Rice Powder. So I'm just going to take a little brush, just set my concealer a little bit. Nothing too crazy because we want to look natural, we want to look like skin. I'm going to be using a very small amount of bronzer. I am just going to be, carving a little bit, just adding a little bit of warmth to the skin, a little bit around the nose. This bronzer is from the Balm. This is called Take Home the Bronze in the shade Toni. To add a little glow and a little bit of color, I'm using the Covergirl Full Spectrum palette. This one is in the shade FS 100. So this has my highlighter and my blush all in one, which makes it super convenient, and it's very inexpensive. So first I'm going to go in with a very light touch of highlight. This is extremely pigmented, so just be careful because super pigmented. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit. And then lastly, which is the most important piece in my opinion, whenever you want to go, makeup free or have really glowing skin or just look very healthy, blush is always the way to go. If you want to go for a very, very light eye look, I take my same bronzer that I used all over the face, just get a little brush and just quickly apply it on my eyelids. This is just going to give your eyes a little bit more dimension, but it's not going to waste any more time. So see how quick this is? Just rubbing a little bit of color on the eyelid. Alright, next up for brows, and we are almost done. I am using the CoverGirl Brow Pencil. This is in the color 705 Rich Brown. Love these pencils. They just make everything very quick and easy just to do a little touch up on your brows, fill them in a little bit. And then for a brow gel, which is optional, this is just my favorite brow gel. It gives you a little bit more dimension after you do your pencil. This is the Instant Brow Fix from Thrive Cosmetics in the color Serena. You just want to make sure that when you're applying this, you wipe all of the excess off of the brush, and that not only is it going to make it really natural looking, but this is going to last you forever. So I'm just going to take my eyelash curler, do a little curl on my eyelashes. You can either opt for a very natural look, which would just be mascara. This is the Rimmel Volume Flash ScandalEyes mascara. I absolutely love this one. If you guys want a little bit more drama with your lashes, I also like to use the Covergirl Lash Blast Primer. It does have a formula that is going to kind of plump and amplify your lashes. So I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes, and while we're waiting, we can just go ahead and do the lips. So for a natural look like this, I just like to use a little bit of lip liner just to make my lips a little bit more plumpy, and some gloss. I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty lip contour. This is in the shade Trendsetter. Then for my gloss, I'm actually going to be using this new lip gloss. This is from Buxom. This is the Buxom Boy Babe gloss. So I think now my primer is pretty much dry, so I'm going to go in with my mascara. Alright guys, so we are all finished with this lightweight makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you did. Let me know what other makeup videos you guys want to see. I can also do like my heavy duty stay all day makeup routine, which I also love. So yeah, let me know guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.